if you press edit, and you can see that you've got inactive program and you've got active program. Okay, so if you press the F4 key, it'll keep switching the programs around. See, press it again, so it's switching between that one and that one. Okay, as you press F4. If you press the edit key, yeah, it'll switch from one to the other, from one side to the other. See what I mean?
Yep.
And at any point, if you press this F1 key, you can then come down to program there and say select program from list, and all you do is just cursor to a program like that, press your enter key, and you've got it. So now I've got that test phase program and this 222. So if you now wanted to say, for example, copy something, cursor down to the first, just down one, press F2 and cursor down, press F2 again. Yeah. Now if you press F4, this program here will come up. So press F4, yeah, and you're now on this one, yeah, and if you cursor down, you could then press enter, which will put that code in there. Okay. See what I mean?
Yeah.
So where that's really good is that using F4 to just switch between the two programs, or you can use edit to go from side to side. But personally, I tend to use the F4 just to switch between programs. So it's a quick way of copying from one program to another.